TikTok streak pets are becoming super popular. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to get one and how to make it grow faster. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. To get a streak pet, you need to maintain a message streak with a friend in TikTok direct messages. Go to your inbox and open a chat with the friend you want to build a streak with. Now, both of you need to send messages to each other every day without missing a day. After maintaining the streak for 3 days, TikTok will automatically unlock the streak pet feature. Once the streak pet appears, you'll be able to see it inside your chat and interact with it as your streak continues. To raise your streak pet, keep your daily message streak active by sending messages every day. The longer your streak continues, the more your pet can grow and evolve. Make sure notifications are turned on, especially the streak notifications, so you don't forget to reply and lose your streak. And that's how to get a streak pet on TikTok and keep raising it. Thanks for watching.